Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Cyberpanel inside the Hostinger VPS. So how can you do it? Now first of all, go to the hpanel.hostinger.com. From the home page on the left side you will see multiple options. So just go to this option called VPS. And once you are inside the VPS, so you will see either KVM VPS or game panel. So that is your choice, whatever VPS you want to choose. But in our case, I will go with the KVM VPS. Just click on get now. And once you click on get now, they will ask you to select your server location. Just make sure that you select your server location accordingly. That is your needs, or make sure that it is green. So let's say I want to go with Singapore in Asia. So you can choose any other location, click on next. And once you click on next, they will ask you to choose an operating system. That is your choice. Plain OS, OS with panel, or applications. Either you want to go with the WordPress or any other thing. That is your choice. Let's say I just choose plain OS. And from here, let's say I go with the Cloud Linux. And they'll ask you to select the version as well. So make sure to select the version. Otherwise, just select it by default. And once you select it, they will ask you to secure your VPS access. That is basically create a root password. Now, root password is basically that will be needed to log into your VPS at any time. So make sure to enter the password. Let me just enter a password as well. And now, as you can see, I've selected a password, and the SSH key is basically an option that you can use access your server without a password by using SSH key. You might be familiar with it already. If you want to do it, add it. Otherwise, skip it. Just click on next. And once you click on next they will ask you some additional features, which is basically paid daily auto backups. Whatever you do, tick it if you want to select it. Otherwise, just do not select it and click on next. And once you click on next, choose the plan that is best suited for your business. Like as you can read the benefits as well, KVM 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the prices are different, which is basically almost $6 and $8 or $9 and something like that. So one core, one CPU, 4 GB RAM, 50 GB storage, 4 TB bandwidth. This has 8 GB, 8 TB, 100 GB. So you can choose your plan according to your needs, according to your business, whatever business you have, either it is large, small, or you how much you work you want to do on it. So the best, most popular is this one, KVM2. So either if you want to go this one, or you can choose the other plans as well. Just select it, buy it, and after that you will be able to do it inside the Hostinger VPS. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.